Taft and Wilson as Progressives, Part 2. This lecture will analyze three major progressive constitutional amendments. With all of the new progressive policies being introduced, the government needed to find a way to pay for the increased cost of an expanded government. To do so, in 1913, the 16th Amendment was approved, which introduced everyone's favorite thing, federal income taxes. What is interesting is that due to generous exemptions and deductions, in 1913, less than 1% of the population actually paid any income taxes, and those that did so only paid less than 1% of their income. If you recall, another major part of the progressive era was to increase democracy and give voters more say in how their government operates. The 17th Amendment accomplished this by letting voters decide who their senators would be, and not just have them appointed for them. Under the original provisions of the Constitution, senators were elected by the state legislators. But due to worries of corruption and the need for more representation, the 17th Amendment was passed. The 18th Amendment was a very controversial amendment. The 18th Amendment banned the manufacture, sale, and transportation of alcohol, and began the era of Prohibition. The amendment was passed in response to many complaints about the drunken behavior in the newly industrialized cities. Many people believed that alcohol consumption led to corruption, spousal abuse, and other criminal activities. And these complaints led to the government effectively banning alcohol in the United States. The 21st Amendment will eventually cancel Prohibition, and later on we'll look at exactly why that happened. Well, that's it. That concludes part 2 of the lecture. So remember, take the mini quiz and rock on!